Hi, this is Phil Hinton and welcome to another episode on avforums.tv. Today we're at Craven Cottage, not for the football, but to see LG's new plasmas for 2008. George, thanks for inviting us down to have a look at your new range of TVs. Maybe you can tell the forum members who weren't able to make it along just what we've been showing today.
Yeah, Phil, we got the 50 and 60 inch Full HD plasma, the PG 7000, the first one for us in terms of 50 and 60 inch Full HD, 100 Hz with built-in Bluetooth connectivity. We've also showcased here the world's slimmest LCD with a built-in digital tuner, the LG 6100 at 42 inch, part of the Scarlet range, or the infamous Scarlet range I should say. We've also have the PG 6900 42 and 50 inch with built-in Freeview Plus with the twin tuner that allows you to pause and rewind live TV with 160 gig built into the hard disk drive, which gives 86 hours of recording. But we also have the 32 inch plasma as well that we've showcased this evening. 32 inch 100 Hz with 4 HDMI and also USB connectivity on an HD ready resolution. It really does cater for the market, for the particular consumer that cannot fit a 42 and 50 inch product into their house, that have only been able to afford all the 32 inch up to the LCD market. The 32 inch plasma is going to be a significant success factor for LG and onwards and upwards from here.
Now let's talk about the PG 7000. It's a set which our forum members are going to be very interested in, just because of the technology that's on board there now. Maybe you can just explain what technology is there and what people can expect from the set.
I think they'd expect the absolute ultimate in terms of picture quality. I mean, the black levels are some of the finest black levels we've ever produced on plasma technology. At 50 inch and 60 inch, it is our premium model because of the Full HD resolution. It's a 1920 x 1080p resolution. It has 4 HDMI connectivity. It adds USB as well as Bluetooth technology built into the product. So effectively, the USB connection will allow the digital camera, the mobile phone, the mass storage device or MP3 player to be connected, whereas the Bluetooth will obviously allow the consumer to then connect their mobile phone and stream content right from the mobile phone straight to the large screen experience. As well as adding on to that, having the 4 HDMI also covers off every single flexibility in terms of connectivity for us. The picture itself is 100 Hz, but it will be communicated with 600 Hz with 12 subfields for every single Hertz, which that does allow for the extreme in terms of the fast motion speed on our plasma technology for 2008 and 9 and onwards from there.
And I guess the other features there, I mean, THX isn't here in the UK, it is on the US model, but ISFC3 has made it onto this as well.
Expert mode is built into the PG 7000 as all of our entire LCD and plasma range in 2008. It's something that we believe is critical for the consumer to be able to calibrate the TV to their particular desires. As part of ISF calibration, it's something that we're going to be keen to promote over the next 6 months and onwards and upwards from here for LG.
Now, you mentioned in your presentation that the public have a perception of LG. So what are you doing to try and change that perception?
We have a training team of 9 around the UK and Ireland that are communicating the benefits of LCD and plasma, but also the consumer benefits in terms of how they can get the best from their HD and Full HD ready TVs. We know at the moment there's 25% confusion in terms of how to get high definition to the homes. That's not good enough. We need to do lots of work in terms of communicating to the trade through the training team and also through our online marketing tools that we're actually promoting. We have a buying guide now onto the LG website. We're also looking at forum activity and trying to engage with online communities and trying to get the benefits of LG products across. The last thing we want is LG products to be missold or sold to wrong particular consumers with technology that isn't required, which is why we have a full in-depth range of technology that is meant for everybody. Technology for all, not technology for technology's sake.
And obviously our members are going to be interested in the PG 7000 because it is your top-of-the-line machine. But then looking at the Scarlet has a certain design to it, so what's the thinking behind that?
We want to cater for the whole market in terms of we want two stories. We want stylish design and we want smart technology. We want to encase them into one story together, and the PG 7000 and the Slimline Scarlet are prime examples of how we've actually done that. It's fair to say that the Scarlet's marketing story, etc., was a very design creative orientated marketing plan, And the Scarlett TV is not just all about design. It's also full HD, it's also 100 Hz, it also has 4 HDMI, it also has 100 Hz built into that technology with an intelligent sensor that automatically adjusts the picture to the environment. What that does is allows the consumer to save up to 62% on power consumption. So it's not just a design story, it's a very clever technology that we've built into the product that is also catering for that type of the market as well.
And I guess the other thing is that you have built-in hard drive with the other line that's coming out this year. What was the thinking behind that? Dual tuners and full interface there. So what is it you're aiming that set at? What market?
The TV industry has changed over the last few years. I mean, people are starting to use the TV in different ways, and through the success that Sky Plus have had with the functionality of pause and rewind live TV, we want the TV to sort of control how we watch television when we want to watch it. Previously that wasn't possible, and with the Freeview Plus technology built into the television, we believe that to be a step-up technology just to the standard HD Ready. It offers them a different dimension to the product. We know that there's 30% of households have Sky within the actual household, but there's also a majority of the consumers that want to stay with digital Freeview because of the services on there are absolutely fantastic. And for that particular technology, we've got the Freeview Plus PG6900 that we're about to launch that will cater for that market.
And if forum members haven't noticed already, there is the LG blog on the forums. You have your own little forum there. So how are things going with that?
Yeah, fantastic. The website is www.lgblog.co.uk. It's just an area for us to then engage with our online community, showcase what we're actually doing as a brand. We'll be as open as we possibly can about new products we bring to market, but it's all about trying to engage with people online. We know that 25% of the market now on TV is actually coming from online business, and it's only going to increase over the oncoming years. So online is going to be a critical part, as well as the LG blog, as with AV forums as well, is a critical part of our business. Also within the AV forums, we have the LG sponsored forum that we'd like to engage with conversation about LG products across service, across design plan ideas. We need to try and raise the bar in terms of design and features and benefits. The community of AV forums is perfect for that, and the LG forum will allow us to engage with the community and make sure we deliver in terms of product features and benefits in terms of our product pipeline over the oncoming years.
I think one thing that's maybe coming across, or hopefully coming across, is the fact that you take your technology seriously, and in the past maybe people have thought of LG as maybe a low budget manufacturer. So I guess what you're trying to say to people is we have the technology and we're just as good as anybody else in the market. Would I be correct in saying that? For
sure. We have some of the best designs available in the market. We have some of the best technology available in the market. The key factor for us is to ramp up in terms of the brand side of it, but we will do that as part of our new marketing strategy over the next 3 years. We'll be ramping up our investments and to make sure that the LG is perceived as a premium brand, and it's only time will tell, but we do have the features and the benefits and the technology to be able to promote them as a premium brand. Watch this space.
Well, thanks very much for your time, and it's been great seeing the new product.
Cheers, Phil. Thank you.
And that's all we've got time for from Craven Cottage and LG's new plasmas for 2008. This is Phil Hinton saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.